Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever walked into a hair salon without an appointment, hoping they could fit you in? Today, Hannah is heading to Great Clips, one of the most trusted and familiar walk-in hair salons in the whole country, famous for its no-appointment haircuts and quick online check-in. To get a fresh trim, no booking required. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah is going to use one soft, exploratory phrase whenever she isn't quite sure about something. You can use this exact phrase at Great Clips, or really any salon or shop, anywhere in America. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and get ready for a walk-in haircut adventure. Let's go to Great Clips. Alright. Hannah has 3 missions today. 1. Check in at Great Clips and start her haircut with a quiet, focused stylist. 2. Chat through the rest of her trim with a talkative, easygoing stylist. 3. Pay at the register with a humor-loving veteran stylist. Even if the machines don't always cooperate, a walk-in haircut is something millions of Americans do every week without ever picking up the phone. And one soft, curious phrase can help you ask about anything you're unsure of, from wait times to styles. By the end of this video, you will be able to check in for a walk-in service, ask for exactly the haircut you want, and handle a small hiccup at checkout, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's go to Great Clips. Here are today's 5 Great Clips key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. I was wondering if you have any openings for a walk-in right now. I was wondering if you have any openings for a walk-in right now. This is today's magic phrase. I was wondering if is a soft, exploratory way to ask about something without sounding demanding. It turns your question into a gentle, passing thought, which makes it easy and low pressure for anyone to answer. Perfect for checking availability or asking a small favor. Key phrase 2. Could I get a haircut, please? Just a trim on the sides, please. Could I get a haircut, please? Just a trim on the sides, please. A clear, simple way to request the exact style you want. Key phrase 3. How much time do you think this will take? How much time do you think this will take? A relaxed way to ask about timing once you're already in the chair. Key phrase 4. Is there another way I could pay? Is there another way I could pay? A calm, easy phrase for when a machine or card reader isn't cooperating. Key phrase 5. Would you mind trimming the back a little more? Would you mind trimming the back a little more? A polite way to ask for one small extra adjustment during your service. Great job! Now let's see Hannah use them at Great Clips. Hannah pushes through the glass door of a busy Great Clips salon, the buzz of clippers and swivel chairs filling the bright, tidy space. At the check-in kiosk near the entrance, Derek, a quiet, steady-handed Great Clips stylist in his 40s, sleeves rolled up, a comb tucked behind one ear, glances up from sweeping a stray clipping off the floor.
Afternoon. Just you today?
Yes, just me. I was wondering if you have any openings for a walk-in right now?
About a 10-minute wait. You can check in right here. Name, and what service you're after.
Hannah. And could I get a haircut, please? Just a trim on the sides, please.
Trim on the sides. Got it. Have a seat. I'll call you back in a few. All right. Sides trimmed. Length kept up top?
That's exactly right, yes.
Good. This won't take long.
Nicely done, Hannah. Notice the phrase I was wondering if you have any openings for a walk-in right now. A soft, exploratory way to ask about availability without sounding pushy or unsure of yourself. Also notice how Derek, calm and quiet, listened carefully and got straight to work. He didn't say much, but every step was clear and confident. A different kind of friendliness than a big smile, but just as reassuring. A gentle question plus a steady stylist equals an easy, relaxed check-in every time. 10 minutes in, Derek passes Hannah off to Tyler. A chatty great clip stylist in his 30s, scissors already snipping mid-sentence. For the finishing touches at the next station.
Oh, hey, you're the walk-in Derek mentioned. Nice, nice. So, are you from around here, or just visiting? Because honestly, this whole block used to be a hardware store, if you can believe that, before Great Clips moved in.
Oh wow, I didn't know that. I was actually wondering. How much time do you think this will take?
Oh, like, 10 more minutes, easy. We're quick like that. That's kind of our whole thing here at Great Clips, no appointment, in and out. Anyway, my sister actually works at a Great Clips 2 towns over. Funny enough, small world.
That's really funny. Would you mind trimming the back a little more? It still feels a bit heavy.
Oh. Yeah, totally, good catch. See, this is why I always ask twice. People are usually too polite to say anything. There, how's that?
Perfect, thank you.
Great Clips magic. Alright, let's get you brushed off and you'll be all set.
Look at that. Hannah got exactly the trim she wanted, mid-conversation. Notice how Hannah used today's key phrase, "Would you mind trimming the back a little more?" A light, polite way to ask for one small extra adjustment, even in the middle of a chat. And even though Tyler talked a lot, he still listened closely and fixed it right away. A small, polite request plus an attentive stylist equals a perfect finishing touch. At the front register, Walt. A humor-loving Great Clips veteran in his late 50s, 20-plus years of cutting hair behind him, reading glasses perched on his head. Rings up Hannah's total with an easy grin.
Alright, one walk-in trim, looking sharp. That'll be $18.99.
Here you go.
HM. Come on, old girl. Sorry, this card reader's got more personality than half my clients.
No worries. Is there another way I could pay?
Now that's the spirit. Try tapping it right here instead, this side actually works better, don't ask me why.
Oh, there we go.
22 years cutting hair, and I still haven't figured out that machine. You're all set. Sides look great, by the way. Derek always does clean work.
Thank you so much, Walt.
Come back and see us. And don't be a stranger to that walk-in line, we're always here.
Wonderful. Today Hannah got her very first Great Clips walk-in haircut. Meeting quiet, steady Derek, chatty Tyler, and humor-loving Walt along the way. Notice. The biggest phrase of the day was, "I was wondering if you have any openings for a walk-in right now." That soft, exploratory phrase made it easy to ask about something she wasn't sure of, right from the very first moment she walked in. A gentle question plus a friendly team equals a smooth, satisfying trim, at any Great Clips location, anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah walks into Great Clips without an appointment, and she wants to ask if they can fit her in. What should Hannah say? A. I was wondering if you have any openings for a walk-in right now. B. Do you guys have any openings, or what? C. I guess I'll just wait around and see if you have room. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases that will turn any walk-in visit, anywhere in America, into a relaxed, confident experience. I was wondering if you have any openings for a walk-in right now. Could I get a haircut, please? Just a trim on the sides, please. How much time do you think this will take? Is there another way I could pay? Would you mind trimming the back a little more? With these 5 phrases, a walk-in visit to Great Clips, or really any shop or salon, feels less like a guessing game and more like something you're fully ready for. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time, join us for a trip to the laundromat, where Hannah tackles her weekly laundry with fresh, easy English. See you next time. Bye-bye.